Hi, and welcome to another video brought to you by Yolandi, me. And today we'll be going over Excel. So I've been getting some requests for some basic knowledge about Excel, and I thought I'll make a little video about it. And then I went on and on and on in more than an hour video regarding some functionalities. And I come to realize that I can't just do a basic video about Excel. I need to do a project. So the project that I've decided on will be how to account for your accounting transactions, because I am an accountant after all. So this will be the easiest way for me to teach you how to use Excel. And at the end of this series, you'll take home your own accounting little package. Please don't expect too much of this. I will try and make it work and also to make it easy to use. But this is not a guarantee. I'm not sure what the end product will be like. I haven't thought out everything. I've just started to do the video and it ended up with a general ledger with a chart of accounts and all those things. And then I thought, well, why not make a video with how to do this and then teach how to use Excel in the same, like two flies with one swat, really. Or two birds with one stone. That's probably how you say it. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I've decided on this series of making your own accounting package in Excel with no or maybe a little coding, but I don't want to go into coding because that's a whole nother monster. So I'm just going to try and keep it simple. If you've got basic knowledge if you know how to type and you know how to add 1 + 1, then you could probably do this video with me. So let's start it, and let me know in the comments below if there's any functionality that you wanted to be added, if I'm not covering it in this series. So things that I'm thinking of maybe adding will be invoices and maybe some stock controls and also purchases. So that's basically just the basics that I'm thinking of adding. If there's anything else that you might need, then just let me know. And if you come across something that I'm doing and it's taking 4 hours and it might be done in a little formula, let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. Any feedback on how you feel about how the series are going is going to be so helpful to me. So if you can just let me know how you feel about this, and yeah, enjoy. I hope you take something away from this.